G'day, I'm Grant from Motion. With me today is Sivan, product engineer with 3M. Welcome, Sivan.
Thank you for having me, Grant.
I was thinking today when I was checking my tyres on my car, I wonder, in terms of helmets and safety, how many of us pick up our helmet and do a safety inspection of our helmet? And if so, what are some of the things I need to look for? And I'm pleased to see we've got an Aussie-designed, Aussie-manufactured helmet here as an example.
Sure. So the standard states that you need to replace your shell every 3 years on average from the date it's issued to you, and the headgear suspension every 2 years. That's just the average, and this is a very general kind of statement. You obviously need to monitor and inspect your safety helmet before use every time.
So what am I looking for when I pick that helmet up, start my shift today? What are some of the quick observations I need to be making?
So every time you have an impact, conducted onto the helmet, obviously that needs to be put out of service. But even if you don't have an impact and you've put it in the back of the ute and something's hit up towards it, if you notice any sorts of cracks or any colour fading, then it's best to replace it.
Yeah. So I look underneath the van, I see some interesting markings at the peak here. What's this telling me here?
So the date stamp is the date that the hard hat is manufactured, and basically this is when you can see when it was made and have traceability on the hard hat.
So if your helmet's starting to look like, maybe the baggy green, just maybe it's time to update it. So if safety is important to you as it is with us, contact your nearest Motion branch.